In today's video, I would like to show you how you can easily revert a repository and you have erased one of your commits or maybe a lot of different commits because you did a git push in the past, in the previous, like you went 10 commits behind and then you do a git push force, dangerous. And then you see your repository, everything is just, you lost all of your commits and all of your code. Don't worry, I will show you a way you can revert this. So I will just create a repo for fun, revert commit, revert, I will do restore repo, and it's because we are using the git reset. It's just a name. I will do private here. I will do add readme. Perfect. Now I will just take this one. Perfect. I will use wrap terminal. Normally I always use item, and item is nice. I'm using, so that's my item. I'll quickly show it to you. Usually I use 10k power level, which is 10k power level. Is it that one? Yeah, power level 10k, sorry, the sh, but now I'm a bit too tired of it, so I will use warp. I'm not too sure how to say it anyway. So we go to desktop, my desktop. Oh yeah, I'm still new, so that's why I have to give permission. Git clone, perfect. It's cloning my repository, the one we have from the repo. And now we can just do a cd and we go to the repo, and there is where we have fun. So I will do I will just do no and readme. Yes, I will update this. I will do a new entry. Perfect. I will save it. Oops. Perfect. So here we continue. I will just do I will commit what we did. First commit, and then so I have one commit. What else can I do? Oh yeah, I have git cm. Don't worry, that's just a git alias. I can show it to you if I do nano, just so if you wonder. And git config, it's a git alias. I have cm here, you see, just to be faster, basically. And by the way, if you're interested, I can also show you to my gist. You can go there, it's public, and this is my git config. If you wonder, the URL is that one. I can actually paste it in here. So I will do another change. I will do, sorry, not touch. I will do nano again, and then we'll do again with me. And here, gist with my git config. Perfect. And so I will just add a new commit, and this is just faster. Add gist link, and then what else can we do? I will again do git push, and now, for instance, so now, let's say in the scenario I have two commits, or three, sorry, I have the initial one, and then the initial commit, first commit, so the initial commit was from GitHub, when I set to GitHub to create the README by default. When you create a repo, again, you have this option to select add a README, and that's the first commit. It comes from there, second, third. And now, for whatever reason, it does happen more often than what we think. Let's say I do git reset, and I do git reset 2, so I go 2 commits behind. And I decide, oh yeah, like, so now I'm here, I'll do, voila, rewrite everything, like I will just go back to initial commit, and oops, what I did, sorry, new branch, oh yeah, sorry, I first have to add, of course, so, and then I will just do, wait, let me just quickly check. So you see, yeah, so here we are. I have one commit lost, and oh yeah, I'll just do git reset 1 again. So we want to remove those changes. So I will just do, I don't want this. And then here I will just do, so now what I have, I only have one commit. You see, I rewrote I just deleted everything. I didn't want to commit the uncommitted changes that was in, so I didn't want to have it in my staging area of Git. So basically now I have nothing. I only have the initial commit. But if I do git force, and imagine you collaborate with other people on that repo, I do git force. PH again is also an alias, so don't worry, it's an alias as well I have here. So again, I suggest you to have aliases. You will be so much faster. You see PH for push. So now, oh my God, what I have done. So only one commit. How to restore this? Well, to find, like imagine we don't know the commit, we don't know where we want to reset. So you have git reflog. Ref for references, reflog. And this, it shows all of the references. So what we want to track, it's only commit. You see this prefix. Sometimes when you have different branches, new branch, imagine I go to another branch in the meantime, and then I go back to main, and then I have a branch, maybe I will have a branch called, development, and so on. And then I go back to main, and then if I do git reflog, I will have a lot of pollutions. You see, all of the actions of me going to different branches. But don't worry, git says checkout, you have to ignore this. No checkout, checkout you have to ignore. No, I was right actually. That ignore. So what you have to look is for commit. The commit is where you have the valid hash to reset where you were. And in my case, if I look here, commit, that was my last commit, my third commit, add git link. So I take this, even though here it sounds like everything is deleted. I don't have any data anymore. I'm gone. What to do? But don't worry, with git reflog, you see the reference. That's the last commit. So I take this one, I do git reset with the heart, and then I will do git push. I will have to do git push, and then I refresh. Now I have again back the initial, go back to initial commit, but that was where I had everything. But now if I want to go to my third commit, so again I go git reflog. I'm looking here, first commit. Where was it? So that should be the valid one. Yeah. Git reset and heart. That's the third one. So if I do a git push here, we did git reset heart. Oh, sorry, here we have to do git push force. And then, okay, let's see, you will see. I have again the same commits. You see, initial commit, first commit, and then the third one. We are back because we could see extremely well. So that's that one was the last one before we did git reset, and then after I recommitted what we did, but that wasn't the goal. And then I just said, okay, I will do a git checkout. I did this with my alias. It was something like that to remove the contents we have added in the README, and then I did a git push force. So this is how you can restore, with git reflog, and again look for the commit prefix to have the valid hash, because when you move to different branches and so on, those hashes are not valid, these ones. So only where you have the commit prefix. So yeah, and by the way, I quite like warp. It's a good solution. I like it. It's also very pleasant. So I know there are like hype. You also have hyper for the terminal. I used to always say wrap, like a wrap, you know. Hyper, I think it's hyper. Hyper SH. Yeah, hyper SH. Yeah, that's the one normally. I have used that one, but I wasn't that happy for some reason. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, sorry, it's that one. Hyper.is. It's good, but yeah. And then you even have Kitty. Kitty. It's a funny one. This one. Kitty. If you are interested. Oh, I'm already have started the repo already. And if you like my repositories and what I do, you know, in the open source community, don't be shy and just start my repos as well. I would be more than happy. I love contributing to a lot of repositories. So yeah, this was for the test. I will just delete that repo for now. And I hope you liked it. You see, it's easier. Like, okay, it can be very stressful, especially at work when that happens, and you see all of your peers, like all of your co-workers' work also deleted because maybe the development branch was not protected, and you think, wow, what I have done, or the master branch was not protected, and you think, oh, I have removed everything. Don't worry, there's always an option with git reflog. So, this one, sorry. So reflog. You have the option to see again everything. It can be a bit like very verbose because you see also all of the actions here. I don't have much, but sometimes in some like working repositories, you see a lot of different references you see, but you just have to look for commit prefix, and then you have the number commit, and you have to look a bit to see where is the good one you want to reset. Yeah, that's it for today, and I wish you a happy coding day.